What influences our limited beliefs? Our limited beliefs are the negative and false assumptions we have about ourselves and the world that hold us back from achieving our full potential. They are often caused by fear, impostor syndrome, past experiences, or unconscious biases that our brain uses to protect us from pain or failure. However, these beliefs can also prevent us from exploring new opportunities, developing healthy relationships, and creating positive change in our lives. Some examples of common limiting beliefs are: I'm not good enough, I don't deserve happiness or success, I can't do anything right, I'm too old, young, inexperienced, qualified to do that, I have to be perfect to be accepted, I can't change or grow, I have no control over my life. These beliefs can affect our self-esteem, motivation, creativity, and performance in various aspects of our lives, such as work, health, education, and social interactions. They can also create a self-fulfilling prophecy, where we act in ways that confirm our negative beliefs and reinforce them. Fortunately, there are ways to overcome our limiting beliefs and replace them with more empowering and positive ones. Some strategies that can help us do that are: identify and challenge our limiting beliefs. We can ask ourselves questions like, what evidence do I have to support this belief? Is this belief based on facts or feelings? How is this belief helping or hurting me? What would I tell a friend who had this belief? Replace our limiting beliefs with affirmations. We can create statements that reflect the opposite of our limiting beliefs and repeat them to ourselves regularly. For example, I am good enough. I deserve happiness and success. I can do anything I set my mind to. I have valuable skills and experiences to offer. I accept myself as I am. I can change and grow. I have control over my life. Seek feedback and support from others. We can talk to people who know us well and ask them for their honest opinions about our strengths and weaknesses. We can also seek professional help from a coach, therapist, or mentor who can guide us through the process of changing our limiting beliefs. We can also join groups or communities that share our goals and values and support each other's growth. Take action and experiment with new behaviors. We can challenge ourselves to step out of our comfort zone and try new things that we previously thought we couldn't do. We can also set realistic and achievable goals and track our progress and achievements. We can celebrate our successes and learn from our failures. We can also reward ourselves for taking action and overcoming our fears. By changing our limiting beliefs, we can open ourselves up to new possibilities and opportunities in life. We can also improve our self-confidence, happiness, and well-being. We can become more resilient, adaptable, and creative in facing challenges and pursuing our dreams.